Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KDA. For the past several days, the price end of KDA is trying to break out this resistance zone that starts from $1.10 and goes to $1.18.25. Previously, it was working as support zone here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. And you can see that for the past several days, it is getting rejected by this resistance. Yes, it is possible that the price end may also form an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. Like this is the expected left shoulder and this the head. And now after this rejection, there is a probability that we may form the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And after the completion of the right shoulder, the price end may breaks out this neckline. This, by the way, resistance and zone can also work as a neckline for this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And after breaking out this neckline, we can expect a very, very massive pump. And in today's video, we will analyze this expected inverse head and shoulder pattern. And we will also take a look at this previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is happening on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Renzo, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared on 27th of December 2024 with my members. And if you scroll down, then here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of KDA, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, the price line is struggling to break out this very strong resistance zone that starts from $1.10 and goes to $1.18.25. That was previously working as a support here for several days and support here. Now, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance, and recently the price line is once again rejected by this resistance zone. And there is a probability that the price line may form an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So far, the left shoulder is formed, the head is formed, and now we can expect that it may form the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. If it forms the right shoulder, that can be a signal that we may see a price reversal from here, and the price and may break out this resistance zone very soon. And in case of breaking out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, so far this pattern is not completely formed. But for example, if the price and forms this inverse head and shoulder pattern like this and breaks out, then neckline is here. This resistance zone can be the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in case of breaking out, the target, the technical target will be here. That will be approximately at $1.69 or $1.70. And I'm expecting that if the price and reach is there, then we can also hit this long-term resistance of 2 cents as well. It was also recently working as a resistance here. And before that, this 2 cents has been previously working as a resistance here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of KDA. And here, by the way, we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern as well. And we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. You can see that I've been telling you, by the way, in my previous videos, that target was here at the top of the wedge at $1.80. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target almost up to $2, and it got rejected by this resistance of $2. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have also broken out another very, very huge falling wedge pattern. And so far, the price line is not able to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target is here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.